when women are actually getting empowered with lot of money of their own hands, And in that scenario, have you seen, especially for women as well as families, how this particular exercise is elevating their own confidence? Can you share some of the stories that you have seen of transformation? Because in the last 7 years, since you have been practicing, what are those stories where you have seen that transformation happening into their lives?
Two stories I can highlight. First is about woman entrepreneur. Basically, she is a single mother, so she's handling many things on her shoulders, and she's a professional one, and she's into profession basically. And when she approached for a financial planning, she had no idea about any investment option or how to manage or how to bifurcate business money and personal money also. So right from that understanding to making a financial plan, to creating a contingency fund, to making sure that she is well insured, and now slowly her journey started towards her goal achievements. So be it her children education, higher education, she is very much confident than before now due to this whole process, because I'm just filling up the gaps where they are present about her understanding about money and her way of practice of managing her own money. So financial plan fills that gap basically when we approach it in more unbiased way and in a personalized way.
Exactly.
Second story is about a person who was heavily into equities before financial planning, because like we all know, after COVID, we saw the market was rising and investors were really earning good amount of return. But so he was of the understanding that no any other investment option is good enough to make him get him returns that way. But once the financial plan was made, he got to know that other investment options like other asset classes like debt are also equally important. He started implementing that 2 years back. And one fine day when we recently saw the market fall, at that time I got a call from that person upfront that now I understand why asset allocation is important. So that understanding, he was ready to implement just because he wanted to change his financial scenario. So that awareness about our own money is very important, and financial plan makes that simpler for a person.